Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. The idea of putting blue painter's tape on top of MDF, I got this idea from a video from someone that lives in Oklahoma, and I asked for his permission to copy it, and I kind of did, but he used leather and MDF. I couldn't get any burn residue on the MDF, or very, very little, not worth the tape. But I will put a link to his video, and he does an excellent job. So I put tape on both sides. This is the top, and you can see the burn residue. That's created by the heat and the smoke. And then that's the top. This is the bottom, and this is probably more concerning. The picture is not perfect, but this is your grid marks. I have an Epilog laser, and it has half-inch honeycomb-like stuff. And this is called splashback. It hits that metal and kind of splashes back and can cause some problems. Now, if you're using a product that's, to make name tags and it's already finished, the residue just wipes off. Now, I still won't do this per se on MDF because I'll just sand it. Even if I want the star, I can just put the star in there and use a random orbital sander and take up a lot less time and tape. This is with tape on it, both sides, and I didn't take a picture of the bottom, but it's identical. There's no residue, there's no splash, and it really worked. So go to his video, and he actually has video of him doing it. And on the laser, it helps quite a bit. On the leather, I couldn't get leather to really leave any residue, engraving or cutting. A little bit engraving, and if you use water or alcohol, it's going to, leave a stain kind of darken the leather and make it a little bit not as good. I would probably, if I was going to engrave leather, I would probably use blue tape, but the cutting, I couldn't get anything to do it. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit, and thank you for watching.